Hello. I just realized that I started making these envelopes and I should have been recording it. So these are for my Etsy shop. And what I do is I'm going to pre-make these, but the customer will have to just fold it and put it together. And I always forget which side I have to make the score on. And I realized since I made the score in there, I can fold it, you know. I was doing it on that side and you're not supposed to. But anyway, yeah. Let's see. See, I make a tag. I make a tag and then I make a card. And then I make the envelope, and this is good for, it's all blank, but they could decorate the card if they want to, or just have it blank so they can write what they want on the inside of the card. And then they put a little ribbon or a little piece of string on the tag to attach it to their gift, and that's it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm measuring it up to where it's supposed to be. These are 4x5 cards. Oh, actually, I don't need to. Okay, I'm doing it wrong. Supposed to be going. Is it counterclockwise? Yeah, counterclockwise. So, and once you've measured it from where you need to measure it from, then you just go by the score line and you line it up with this little piece right here, and then you're able to make it even. And so the score, I don't know, you could see it. I could see it through the camera. You do the little score lines. And what I do is I punched out the corners so that you could, let's see if I see. That little corner, I punched them out. I don't like doing it to all of them because this punch is not the greatest, even though it's sharp. If you leave any extra pieces of paper in here and you don't clean it out between each punch, you can ruin your design, basically. So I keep cleaning it out. It's a pain, but it's working out pretty good. And I did put strings on here, but they started to get really raunchy looking, like they were unraveling and they were getting dirty. And I think the reason why they got dirty is from the ink. Because eventually if you rub your hands on here, not that the ink's coming off, but like over time, it's just the nature of the scrapbook paper. So anyway, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm almost done. I'm not doing them all because my hand is hurting. This takes a lot out of you. Anyone who does scrapbooking or envelopes or cards, they know what that's like. So I try to switch up what I'm doing. I don't just do this all day long. I did that last weekend. Oh my goodness, I was very unhappy with myself doing all that, and then my shoulders were killing me, and it's like, oof. Oh. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'll just leave the paper clips on, I think. I'll have to decide, because it keeps them neat. But then I was going to get some bags, individual bags, and then put each one into a bag, or put at least 10 in one bag that would fit. And then I think that would work. So I'll have to see. I got to buy the bags off of clearbags.com. And a few people online. See, this even pushes out pieces of paper. And you got to make sure that's all clean out. This is cleaner than that other punch. With this more fancier stuff on here, there's more fancier and smaller, intricate designs on here. There's 3 different stamps for the corners, for decorative, you know, for cards. This is harder. You know, you have to clean it out, make sure, because I did it on a few last week, and the corners get messed up. So I gotta be careful. So yeah, this is the bundle I just did. So yeah, and these are, you know, these are all decorated, so they're ready to go. They just have to fold the envelope, glue it, and then do whatever they want with the card. If they don't want to decorate the card, they can just write, you know, whatever their sentiment is in the card, and then for the tag they put to and from inside, you know, from Nana to my granddaughter, whatever they want to do. So yeah, I thought this would be good. Okay, I think this isn't a very long video. It's just like 6 minutes or so. So I think I'm just going to sign off, and bye.